Hi. Say hi. 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 Very good. Very good. Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Pops. Today we are going to show you how to make cashew chicken. Also check out my fresh haircut which was given to me by KG. If you want to learn how to cut fade haircut, watch KG's previous video.
How to give a fade haircut.
These are the ingredients we'll be using for today's recipe. For a full list of ingredients, please check the description box at the bottom of the video. We'll start our recipe by grinding cashew nuts. 1 cup of cashew nuts. Put in this. So I'll grind it for about a minute roughly. After grinding it for about 30 seconds, this is how it looks. We have some pieces of cashews left. So what I'm going to do is take this piece of cashews and grind it again. So this is the ground part. Now I'm going to grind the rest of the cashew nuts. This is like a second round. So I did it about 30 seconds. Now I'll finish it. You can see most of the cashew is ground. There will be still small pieces inside, but that will blend good with the curry. This is our final mix. Now I'm making a second mix with all these ingredients. 1 cup of coconut milk, half a cup of coriander leaves, three cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of fresh cut ginger, and salt. A teaspoon, I'll put half of it. I'll mix it for about a minute again. Now this looks pretty good. It's liquefied. We'll start with 1 cup of oil. I'm going to heat up the oil on high heat. I'm using 1 medium onion. It's pre-chopped and will be cooking in high heat. Now we'll keep on frying this onion till the time it's nice and brown. And at the time when we start melting the onion, the burn of the onion, that's when we'll start adding the chicken and mushroom. It's a good idea to keep on stirring it so it's equally cooked. So onion is now nice and brown and it looks very crispy too. And I'm going to add chicken to start. 1 pound of chicken breast cut into small bite-sized pieces. Keep stirring it and cook it in onion for a little while. About a minute or so I'll do that. Now I'm adding the mushroom. It's about a cup of sliced mushroom. Mushroom usually releases water, so you can see water now. Chicken is cooking in this mushroom water. Now I'm going to add yogurt to it. It's half a cup of yogurt. I cooked the mushroom and chicken for about 2 minutes. Then I added the yogurt. We're cooking this for about another 2 to 3 minutes. And whilst this is cooking, I'm going to now reduce the heat to medium. And at this point, I'm going to start adding my dry spices. 1 teaspoon of coriander ground, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of garam masala. So it's approximately 5 minutes after I put the chicken. Now I'm going to add this mix. This is 1 cup of sour cream. I'll leave this for about couple of minutes till the time it starts boiling again. Don't keep cooking on high heat because otherwise the chicken will become very hard. Now you can see the bubbles are coming up, so it's getting warmer and hot. Now is the main item, cashew. I'm going to cover this and keep it for about 5 more minutes. I have a quarter teaspoon of saffron. I'm going to put some hot water in it and then we'll add it to it. We put water in it because that will blend better. We steamed it for 5 minutes and then we added saffron water. And now I'm going to add hot mustard. It's a tablespoon of hot mustard. And I'm going to reduce the temperature to 1, very low. And we'll let it cook for about 10 more minutes. It's 10 minutes now and I'm going to open up. Couple of things I want to add here. I marinated the chicken with salt, pepper and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice for about an hour. Another thing that I want to add is first time when you steam after putting cashew, open it up halfway and stir the curry just to make sure that cashew doesn't stick at the bottom. If the cashew sticks at the bottom, it might burn and spoil the curry. I'll now take the curry out in the bowl. And then you garnish it with mint. Just a little bit mint. This is a finished cashew chicken. If you enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button so you are notified each time we post a new video. And remember to share this video with all of your friends. Until next time. It's time for the taste test. And the boss gets the first bite. Make it worthwhile. Bismillah. I get the second bite. कैसा है? कैसा है? ना? This chicken is so soft, it's so full of flavor. You try this recipe, you'll enjoy it. All the ingredients have infused so nicely in the whole curry. Look how tender this chicken is. You can cut it with fork. You can now see the cross section of the cut chicken. The chicken is so tender, best chicken in the world.